Hello dear editors, I found the easiest way to create Alex Hormozi style captions with AI. I have never thought that this day would come. A day where I can confidently say an AI tool creates just as good Alex Hormozi style as a human editor. In seconds! Okay, I'm actually in the website right now. It's called Submagic, so I'm going to be now showing you guys how you can create these videos. It's pretty simple, so let's just press create my video. So yeah, let's just drag that in. And boom, then we gotta select the language, and this is what I think is the most impressive thing about this whole website. You can legit select so many languages, and they're able to do all the captions amazingly with all of these. So I'm just gonna be selecting English here, and then press upload. So yeah, let's do that. So after you have pressed upload, you want to go into this project here, and then you will find your video here. It's probably going to be saying that it's generating the captions, but for me it's actually done right now. So let's just go inside here. Okay guys, so we are inside now. So the first thing that I want to do is just take a look and see what it has done before we try and add anything and look around. So let's just see how good of a job this AI really did.
Listen, the one thing you have is time. And I'm gonna be honest, you could pretty much do anything in life, and if you throw shit at a wall long enough for 10 years, something's gonna stick. Your wisdom's actually like long living, like look.
Okay, that's crazy, because I just remember when I'm seeing this, like, because putting all of these emojis in Premiere Pro, and that can take a little bit of time because you have to go on Emojipedia and stuff like that, but this AI just does it that simply. Are you joking me? From this just like first look, this looks insane. So I've seen a bit around, and I see that if you want to add something, you can just press the plus sign, and then you can just add whatever. So you can just add whatever emoji you want. So let's just add an emoji for fun.
Yes, you could pretty much do.
Yeah, that's sick. Just with one click, you're able to add emoji. Alright, sick. So let's just move on and go to the design. As you guys can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different styles that you can choose. So let's just go through them really fast. First is this Hormozi 1 style.
Anything in life, and if you throw shit at a wall long enough for 10 years, something's gonna stick.
So yeah, basically this is just it's highlighting the captions and subtitles. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That is sort of like the old Hormozi style, and then you have this one, which is a bit cleaner in my opinion and looks better, which is the newer version.
His wisdom's actually like long living. Like because of you, I started my agency in.
Hey, wait a minute. So actually, I have something really sick. If you guys use the code Jonas10 on the checkout, you get 10% off. And this was the criteria for me, because when I talked to the team and said that this is a sick tool and I want to make a video about it, I had to get something for you guys. So use the code Jonas10 when you're in the checkout and get 10% off.
Around September, October, 0 clients.
Yeah, so this one is which I like the most out of all of these subtitles, but you also have like Hormozi 3, and when we were talking about Iman Gadzi, we also have this one, this font and this sort of style which is used in his YouTube video. So that's cool.
With time, and I'm gonna be honest, you could.
And then you have the dynamic and the impact. I don't really like the dynamic. Some people used it, but I think that there's better options. But yeah, either way, I'm gonna be showing you guys really quick what you can change. So yeah, you can change the size if you want, put that on whatever you want, 40, you can make it smaller, so that's cool. And then you can change the position from 520, you can take it up here where we're speaking, you can put it down on the top. You can do so much things with this, so it's very customizable, which I really enjoy and like. And also, if you don't want it to, for example, be highlighted in green, for example, you can change that to, for example, blue.
And the one thing you have is time.
So then you can also just change the highlighted colors, which is pretty cool. Moving on, if you guys want to do further customization, for example, where the emojis will be placed, that's pretty simple. Go into here, and then you just want to go down and just press auto emoji on top, for example, if you just want it on the top, or if you want it to like be auto and stuff like that, you just put it on auto. You can put the display also in one line or one word, which basically means that.
Listen, the one thing you have is
it's going to be giving out the sentences a lot more shorter, but I like 2 lines. Auto highlight keywords, you can choose that if you want. So yeah, that was basically just the basics of this website, but also what they have, because they are an AI website, they have put in something that is called auto description and hashtag. And I really like this because When I first tried it, look, listen, you have time, you can do anything in life. Watch this inspiring journey starting my agency with 0 clients and finally signing one. Wow, I can't lie, that's pretty aesthetic, I would say. And even hashtags, boom. Guys, this is sick, and all you have to do is press export and it will automatically do the exporting for you.